Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, August 19, 2020, and we are already almost at the end of the year. Believe it or not, soon when September hit, we're gonna start talking about, hey, wait a minute, it's Christmas soon. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning today, and grand rising, everybody. My name is Amelia, so nice to meet you. And today I want to just shoot a quick video to say that we are living in a world where things are changing fastly. We cannot rely on our job, and we need to build our own prosperity for us and for our loved ones. So I want to invite you all to a webinar that we're having tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I would like you to come. Why? Because this is something that many of you are waiting for. It's not the common online opportunity that you guys are used to see. A lot of us back then were struggling, me including. Including me. I was going and looking for a new way to make money online, and lost more than I've gained. And now, wow, I have finally find something that really works, which means I just have to complete simple task, and I only have to I don't have to recruit, I don't have to sell anything to nobody, and stay home and make money. So this is not only about the opportunity, guys, it's the spirit of the team. Beautiful team that is supporting us. Oh my gosh, the sun is rising. So beautiful suns today. We're having a really nice day. So today, Wednesday, we're having our webinar where we will have our answers, our question answers answered, and to know more about this wonderful business that is changing lives every day. We have many wonderful people that give a lot of testimonials and showing how this opportunity is changing their lives. So I welcome you. Please be my guest. Come here with me tonight at this webinar. I will put a link and at the description down below so you can attend, hopefully. So thank you so much for watching, and see you. Okay, have a beautiful day.